You just got the promotion. 150 a year. You won. You've beaten capitalism. You're finally rich. Narrator. He had not won capitalism. What you've actually done is walked into the most perfectly engineered financial trap ever invented. And it's a trap that feels like freedom. Welcome back. I'm your cynical guide through the nonsense. Let's talk about why $150,000 in 2026 is actually poverty wearing a three-piece suit. Okay, you got paid $150,000 a year. That's 150. Keep that number in your head. Actually, don't. Forget it immediately. It's a lie. Federal income tax takes 24% off the top. That's $36,000. Gone. Poof. State income tax, depending on your zip code, steals another 5%. That's $7,500 more. Payroll taxes, FICA, Social Security, Medicare, that's 7.65%. Another $11,475. You just lost almost $55,000 before you even saw a dime. Your actual take-home? About $94,000 a year. Monthly? $7,833. Write that down. That's your real salary now. Not 150, 7,833. That's the number that matters. But you just got promoted. You're successful now. You need to look successful. Enter a real estate agent who specializes in selling illusions to people who just got raises. She shows you a property, $650,000, in the best zip code. You've made it. You deserve this. You ask, that's a lot of money. What's the mortgage? She waves her hand. $4,000 a month. That's less than you make in a week. You have to do this. The math is simple. You make $7,833 a month. The mortgage alone, principal, interest, property taxes, insurance, is $4,000. That leaves you $3,833 for everything else you're ever going to want to do. But here's the thing. The house didn't actually cost you $4,000 a month. It cost you your zip code. Because when you buy the $650K house in the good zip code and that lifestyle, it's not optional. It's mandatory. Your brain knows this. Your neighbors know this. And the merchants in this zip code? They're counting on you knowing this. Okay, so you've got $3,833 left. Let's see how long that lasts. You can't drive the 2012 Honda Civic anymore. You're in the good zip code. So, $900 car payment. Maybe you get a second one for your spouse. That's $1,800. Remaining, $2,033. Lunch is no longer a $12 sandwich from Subway. You're in the good zip code. Lunch is $40 times 20 working days, $800 a month. Remaining, $1,233. Kids need to go to the right schools. Private school tuition, $500 to $1,200 per kid per month. Let's say one kid, $600. Remaining, $633. Gym membership at the fancy place where you see your neighbors, $200. Country club membership to be seen at brunches, $300. Wine club because you're sophisticated now. You've got $33 left. $33 per month. That's your buffer. That's your emergency fund. That's your freedom. Let me walk through this one more time because this is the part where you need to feel the pain. Gross income, $150,000. Taxes, federal, state, payroll, minus $56,000. Monthly net, $7,833. Mortgage, minus $4,000. Car payments, minus $1,800. Groceries and utilities, minus $800. Childcare and school, minus $600. Food and dining, minus $600. Insurance, phone, subscriptions, minus $350. Gym, country club, status stuff, minus $650. Clothes and dry cleaning because you have to look the part, minus $200. And you're left with $33 for literally anything else. Car repair? Nope. Medical emergency? Nope. Roof leak? Nope. Want to save for retirement? Don't be absurd. You're not rich. You're a high-income prisoner. You've just upgraded your cell. Here's the rule to avoid this trap. The zip code premium is not an investment. It's a tax on your ego. The house doesn't make you successful. Your net worth does. Your savings do. Your options do. The house just burns money. So here's what you actually do. When you get a raise, you don't upgrade your zip code. You upgrade your savings rate. You live like you make 80K, save the difference, and actually become rich, instead of looking rich. The people who win, they live below their means. The people who get trapped, they live up to them. Thanks for watching. Hit subscribe if you want to keep learning how to not fall for the most obvious traps in the system. See you next time.